you blasted my ears.
Yeah,
Like
my
I
fault,
get that
gang.
she's fat, but
Yeah, my fault, gang, bro. Big hoes be pissing me off on this bitch, bro.
Oh
like
shit.
what is big to you?
Bro, big hoes, man. Like
Man,
you know a big
if you
bitch, bro.
big, bro. Like,
This shit be pissing me off, cause they be doing too much, cause they egos gotta be hot, cause they know niggas don't want them. So they gotta do the most and talk about niggas. At the end of the day, they just insecure. Like your shit be blowing me.
That's not funny.
yo ass fat.
Hell yeah.
I just like I don't know. I
Bro,
can just tell, bro.
that
Like
shit
as
fat.
a nigga, bro. Like you can just tell. Like
Can we get a 360?
I just knew
No.
your. I just knew it's cool. I knew your shit fat. Like I just knew your shit was fat, bro. I don't know. It's just something.
Yeah, it is.
You got a nigga, huh?
You ain't got no nigga.
No, do I look like being
Yeah,
talking?
shit. If you was in my city, you would be my girl. Straight up.
I'll stop it.
You know what I'm saying? Shit. You got Instagram?
Yeah,
Let me get your gram.
it's lose.
With they shit.
Hey y'all.
What's good?
Oh, you mean like they don't be having
Like
no
it just be
posts
like
and
shit like this.
Oh yeah, on my mom.
Yo.
What y'all doing?
Shit, just looking for my wife, man.
It be like that.
Are you a good candidate to be my wife, or you taken, or what is it?
No, I was single, baby.
You single? Where you from?
North Carolina.
Never been.
You got a friend right there.
I got a little sister.
Okay. No.
Anyways, like I was saying, yeah, I'm looking for girls to be my wife, bro. But like
Okay,
everybody don't like my standards, like that I want.
What's your standards? Let me hear them.
All right, she gotta any time of the day she gotta drop that neck. That's number one. Like
I'm
she,
saying.
she has to thank you. She has to drop neck respectfully. She gotta have her badges. If she don't have her badges, I can't fuck with her. She gotta cook.
Okay.
She gotta clean. She gotta rub my back. My
She
feet.
would not be your wife because she can't cook. Nigga, I can cook.
Tell her
Anyways.
stop playing with you. But like just little shit like that, and like just surprise me some days. Like when I'm coming home off work, just be in a banana suit, like a banana suit twerking on my bed, like just little shit like that. Just
Bruh.
get me right, bro. Like,
That's
like,
cute, though.
But like, just for me, you just gotta be over 300 pounds. Shit, I'm sure.
Okay.
like he like the
Fat
elephants,
bitches.
but me it doesn't matter. You can be 400, you can be 5 pounds. It doesn't matter to me. You can be in the wheelchair as long as your neck work, bro.
That's all that matters.
Okay.
But yeah,
I feel you on that one.
yeah, for sure.
I got a question. Can you be autistic?
Bro, she can be autistic. She can have one eye. Like it doesn't matter.
Nah, shit don't matter.
She
bro.
can be blind, bro. She can be deaf, as long as her mouth works. You feel me? Like
Yeah.
facts.
Your standards not set like too high though.
Yeah, it's not nothing crazy, bro.
Yeah.
So you should find a wife.
Yeah, I'm looking though. So yeah. Let me know if you see any candidates.
I got you.
Bet, for sure. The Bronx.
Hey. Oh, all right.
What the fuck?
No, but it's moving.
It's moving, though.
moving. You
You
gotta
can't-
admit it. It's moving. You gotta give me a minute
Bro,
to like.
leave, please, fucking leave.
No, you guys gotta leave. You gotta look to leave.
Fuck. Did I
He's
feel?
look.
Bro, where am I at? I'm not looking, bro.
Look at the.
Kind of back
Bro, I'm finna
twice.
I ain't even looking.
Oh, y'all gonna have to see that shit. When I'm editing, I'm gonna have to see it when I edit.
his cheeks out, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't look. I just tried to do this, man.
Damn.
Like on some crash out shit. You
I'm
gonna see
gonna
that
have to
some-
edit this shit, man. Fuck.
With his cheeks out, man. On some gay shit.
And I gotta edit the shit and look at a nigga cheeks, man.
On some crash out shit.
Damn. Why do girls, bro?
Do
Where
this.
is it? Bro, I thought I was
TikTok.
the only one tweaking, bro.
TikTok.
Females be doing that shit on their story. But you bad as fuck. Where you from?
I'm from Dominican.
Damn.
Dominican bitch.
Listen.
Yeah, I am a bad bitch.
No,
Though.
you a bad bitch. How old are you?
I'm 18 though.
Damn, let's go. I'm 19. Shit, that ain't shit. Damn, Dominican, bro. Let me scoot back. I'm 19. Scoot back. Let me see you. I can't see you.
You want to see me? Why?
I just want to see your
You're
face.
Are you guys filming?
Nah, hell no. We just bored.
I thought you were a YouTube thing.
Nah.
Ah, shorty, do you got all your badges?
You got your badges?
Huh?
Like, you single? Or
Yeah.
you be fucking?
Funky.
Huh?
Yo hablo español. No sabe todo de inglés.
Do you foque? Do you foque?
Oh, do I fuck? Nah.
Slay, do you see Safi?
I fuck with you, but nah, I don't fuck though.
See, like, see, do you sa?
Do I suck dicks?
Yes, yes.
Nah, but yeah. Nah, but yeah. Nah.
Okay. Is your you got a yacht? Is your ass fat?
That's why I'm a bad bitch, right?
Yeah, is your ass fat?
Yeah, it's bad, duh.
I don't know. I ain't seen it. I ain't never seen it.
Can we see get the licky?
You can talk normal. I can understand a little bit English though.
Let us see the booty.
So you wanna see a 360 though?
360. Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm a little bit nervous though.
Nah, girl,
Oh,
it's
it's
all
cool,
good,
it's
girl.
cool,
It's
it's
all good. It's a little 360, man.
Shit.
Okay. Whatever.
You already know prop the phone though.
You might as well just give us a little 360.
Alright.
We can't see.
You lag.
Bitches, I'm wearing something like
You gotta
you're not
scoot.
gonna
You gotta
see
scoot
it.
all the
gotta
way
go
back.
back.
You gotta
You gotta
scoot
go
back. We
back.
can't see it. You too close.
Then fuck bitches.
What? Man, fuck, she supposed to bounce that ass.
Ooh.
I guess not. Yo,
Yo,
what's the word?
with what?
What?
With what?
I just said, what's the word? God damn. I had to say goddamn after that. God damn.
Hey.
You
Don't do with what though.
listen. You gonna take this? I think I should take this. Should you take this?
She got a pick.
You gotta pick. Which one taking it?
I gotta pick someone.
Just pick one. Just pick one of us. Cause somebody finna. So pick one.
But why I gotta pick them?
Just pick, man.
But why?
You gotta pick, bro. Cause you gotta pick real quick.
Okay, can you come a little closer?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Let me get close and I gotta cut.
Damn, I ain't got no cut. You might take it. Which one?
That one.
Black?
That one.
Black?
Black?
No.
Me?
Yeah.
Fuck!
Nigga! Hey, listen. You bad as fuck. Like, you mad pretty. Nigga, you just, bro, you just my
Thank
type.
you.
You just my type, bro. Like, you bad as your body, bro. You right. I ain't never been to New York, but we going to New York. We do content and shit.
Really?
Yeah, we do. We're going to New York.
That's fire.
I fucking need you. I need you.
Hey,
I
Chad.
need you.
Hey,
Shut
Chad.
the fuck up.
Need-
She
Need
picked
is
me.
need is a strong word.
Oh, I need you. I know what I want as a man, bro. When I want you, I want you. So what you doing?
Listen, shorty.
Shut the fuck up.
No, like, wait.
Shut the fuck up.
Before you risk. Listen, you bad. So I know you got friends.
We gonna get to that. Let me work. Let me work.
Okay, I'm gonna let you
me
cook.
work.
I'm gonna let you cook.
Fuck, let me work. You know she got friends. I got you.
Come on,
I gotta get this first. I gotta secure this, bro.
Come on, man.
So listen.
Securities, bro.
What we doing? You fucking with me or what?
I don't know, like a little bit.
You know what I'm saying? So like, let's talk. What you into? Like, what you like to do? Like, you know?
I like to dance. That's about it.
Dance. What's your name? I didn't even catch your name. What's your name?
My name is Janelle.
Joe what?
Janelle.
Janelle? Oh! Janelle? Oh my goodness, bro. God, it's working today. Janelle, so look. Let me get your Instagram. I'm gonna follow
Okay.
you. And we're just gonna take it from there, okay?
No, wait.
Okay.
Fuck.
Is the
no.
name on the screen?
Look, no, don't skip.
Wait, I gotta get the gram first, my nigga. You go ahead and talk, bro. I'm getting the gram. So
Now look, I know you got some friends. Like, I just know you.
I do. I have a few friends.
Watch out, bro. They bad, bro.
damn.
Is they bad?
Of course.
Of course. I know you don't hang with none but 10s, bro. Like,
yeah, I got friends.
you only got 1,000. Damn.
She only got 1,000.
Damn. I'm thinking like you like 10K at least.
Nah.
Bad.
Not yet.
Not yet. No, look, we can work with you though. We can build you. We can get you to 10K, bro. Like, look, you and your friends, we can get y'all up. We can get y'all some YouTube videos. We got y'all.
Facts, bro. He famous on TikTok.
Come on, bro. We got y'all. Y'all just need to come out. Well, we gonna come to New York.
Yeah, we come to New York. We come to New
York. Look, I already supposed to go for some. So look, we gotta tap in with you. I'm not gonna
tap in. So, all
I got you.
All right, you have a lovely night. God has blessed you in
You
so
too.
many ways. He has blessed you in so many ways. I'm telling you.
Thank you.
And listen,
Thank you.
when he DM you in New York, you better hit back.
You gotta hit back.
You gotta hit back.
All right. Oh, I just
Bye.
can't skip. You gotta skip. I can't skip this. Holy shit, I can't.
Damn, with 1K. If we get, damn, we gotta get, we don't have a choice but to blow.
We have to.
Damn.
If we get 50,
we gonna be on.
bro, I'm going to be fucking.
Oh.